Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Well, we're all ready to go, heading for Ende. It's about 9 hours Google Maps hours, and that's where we get the ferry to Timor, the last ferry ride, and then we ride across Indonesian Timor to East Timor, and we put her on a ship back to Australia. But let's get on the road, get some miles up. It's going to be the next 2 or 3 days of this, just gorgeous. She had a bit of trouble starting this morning. I'm hoping it's just fuel. I'm going to put some good fuel in up the road. Hopefully that was the problem, but because she hasn't been backfiring or anything since, and hardly anyone gets to see this. Everyone goes to Bali, Sumatra. Flores is a bit of a well-kept secret. Come to Flores, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. And as you saw back then at Labuan, Bajo, plenty of nice hotels. If every time I saw a beautiful view I turned the camera on, it'd be on 24 hours a day. Just unbelievable, guys. It's no wonder everyone says this is the most beautiful island. And another wow, just opened up to this valley. Well, I don't know if it is a valley because we're still pretty high up. Yeah, just beautiful, guys. I'm not feeling the best. You can probably hear from my voice. I didn't sleep too well last night. But the next hotel I can find is an hour away, so that's where I'm going, guys. Steve, that I met back at Sumbawa, this Australian guy's lived here for around 50 years. He warned me that it always rains here. Doesn't matter what time of year, what time of day you cross this crossing, it's going to rain. Well, I found a hotel. Idiot me, forgot that I'd paid with yesterday's hotel with cash. And I've got no money, so now I'm looking for an ATM. I thought I might have got lucky and missed the rain that Steve talked about, but I don't think I'm going to get so lucky. Hello! Oh, it's pretty unlikely I'm going to miss this rain. I'm getting a few drops already, and I'm sick of having all this trouble with helmet cam audio, so I'm going to take it off now. I'll put it...
How are you?
Oh, hello. How are you?
On the road, I think.
Yes, I saw you walking up the road when I arrived yesterday. I was wondering if we were at the same hotel.
Oh.
Hang on, I'll just turn my camera off. This is Rutang. I stayed here last night. Yeah, sorry, I was going to talk to you back at the hotel, but those people wanted to say hello. We had a nice chat. Hello, guys. Hopefully you're watching this. Yeah, so now we're heading for Ende. It says 6 hours Google Maps, 6 hours, oh, no, that can't be right. It says 3.5 hours Google Maps. I think I might have, the wrong place in there. I'm pretty sure. Yep, for some reason it's wanted to take me back to Labuan. It's lucky I noticed that. Ende. Labuan Bajo, I would have hated that. Yes, so 6 hours 38 minutes. So yeah, but yesterday it took me about 7 hours, nearly 6.5 hours to do 3.5 hours, so it's going to be a long trip. That's going to be more like 12 hours. And some young guys I was talking to at the bank at another town, and thank you guys if you're watching this, because that was I wasn't sure where I was going to stay or what I was going to do, so them telling me this town had heaps of hotels was a relief. But yeah, they were telling me it takes about 12 hours from here to Ende, so we've still got a fair bit to go, guys. By the look of these clouds up ahead, I might be getting a bit wet first thing in the morning, but let's hope that we don't actually go up that high in the hills, that we just follow the valleys. Keep your fingers crossed for me, because it's already chilly. It's a bit like the Cameron Highlands here. Someone the other day asked me which is the coolest, as in temperature, part of Indonesia, and I said, oh, all of Indonesia's hot, but here it's quite pleasant, guys. Really nice temperature. Last night there wasn't even aircon in my room, so it was a really nice hotel I stayed in. There was no aircon, so I'm guessing it's always nice and cool here. It was quite a nice change to be able to just rug up without the aircon. Just amazing. This whole island, yeah, everyone told me Ende was the most beautiful island in Indonesia, and of the ones I've been on, I have to agree, this is just stunning. And yeah, we've still got a couple of days of it. Steve, the guy I met in Sumbawa, he gave me a route that went through a couple of other islands before I got to Timor, and I would have liked to have done that, but my visa's running out. Janet wants me home, so I'm just going to go to Ende and get the ferry from there. But even this ride, Labuan Bajo to Ende so far is incredible. And guys, this is Mbik.
Yeah.
He's the one that pulled me over and said he wants to buy me a drink, so I'm just having a water.
Yeah,
but
you want something to coffee?
No, this is all right for me, thank you, my friend. And
okay.
just more Indonesian hospitality. Half the village came up to meet me. He lives in Rotang, where I left this morning, but he works just down here, so every day he stops there for his breakfast. This is the joy of travelling, guys, meeting people. Everyone's so nice. And I just stopped here for a quick snack. My favourite bakso, and everyone's coming to say hello. Hello! I love Indonesia. Well, I'll just stop for a quick drink at this lovely man's restaurant. And look at the surprise I got, guys, when I walked in here. Unbelievable. Flores, just so beautiful. Well, that lovely man at the restaurant, him and his wife, were telling me the next main town, city, is maybe an hour away, which seems like a pretty good time to stop. That'll be about halfway to Ende. I'll see how I feel when I get there, but that's the plan in my head right now. Just wow, really, just unbelievable. But I don't know why I'm heading west again. We must do a bit of a loop up around the hill here. Oh yeah, people are going that way, so yes. Just gorgeous, guys. Indonesia. Morning. This is where I stayed last night. Quite nice. Exactly halfway between Rutong and Ende. And my room was about 20 US. But if you pay 23 or 24, you get this view. Oh my God. Just unbelievable. But I didn't pay the extra because when I came here it was pouring with rain and you couldn't see. Even this mountain here was covered in clouds. So, but yes, guys, just gorgeous. But we're heading to Ende today. We've got about 3 hours and 8 minutes Google Maps, so we should, touch wood, get there quite easily today. Away we go. Yeah, this place, $20 US, which is a bit much considering we're in the middle of nowhere, but also there's nothing else around, so they can charge what they want, I guess. But yeah, they were real friendly, nice people. It was a comfy room, really good Wi-Fi. We're about 5 minutes in. I actually got as far as here yesterday, and then the rain just started pelting down, so I turned around. I knew that hotel was there because I looked at it and thought, no, because it was about maybe 2 o'clock. I thought, no, I can get another hour up, but yeah, the rain here was just, I wouldn't have been able to see that bike in front of me there from the rain was so thick. Woohoo! What a way to start the morning, guys, really. Beautiful day, decent road, very little traffic, and just gorgeous. It's a little bit chilly, but not unbearable. And that's Ende right there. Yeehaw, we've got another 30 minutes still, but that will be it. The south coast of Flores. In the last 2.5 days I've been riding through all that jungle and everything. Just gorgeous. But look, behind me here, in front of me here, what an amazing island Flores is. As I keep saying, everyone told me this was their favourite island, and guys, as for the islands I've been on in Indonesia, I'd have to say, looks wise, this is my favourite. It's a bit hard to pick a favourite people wise, because everyone all over Indonesia are friendly, happy people. But yeah, when it comes to scenery, I think Flores has it won. What an amazing couple of days that was, guys. Just incredible. This is my hotel in Ende. But I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.